So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button and follow the telegram. The link to the telegram will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So let's start with our trend on our daily time frame. It is very clear that EURJPY is in an uptrend move. So if this is seen to be the high and here is our higher low, this can also be seen as the higher high and here comes the higher low. This can also be taken to be the higher high and here comes our higher low. Now that we've got to this higher low, our next movement on EURJPY should be a bullish move that will eventually form a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we'll be expecting next on EURJPY. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So we can clearly see that market is at this level here, which is our support level. We can see that there are major rejection at this level. So expect market to come to tap it properly support level before you hoping for your buy. So above all, whatever thing we'll be doing this week on EURJPY, we will be going for a buy. So once the London session opens or the New Year session, we can now start looking for a buy setup to go in for a buy on EURJPY. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now, like and share.